in the world today, one of the most abundant compounds is water. In fact, there are 1.3 billion cubic kilometres of water on planet Earth. That sounds like a lot, but even more when you consider that 1 cubic kilometre is 1 billion megalitres. That's right, 1,000 million megalitres. Most of this water, of course, is tied up in the Earth's oceans, as we find in the Arctic and Antarctic regions, in glaciers and mountain tops in the cooler or more temperate climates. In the atmosphere, where we get all our terrible rains and all the waterfall floods and filling reservoirs, we're only looking at 0.001% of the water on planet Earth. But only 0.65% of this is usable water. Water we can use to drink, to clean, to swim, whatever, to water our gardens and fields. Water, for all of its abundance, is probably one of the most incredibly important substances in the universe, because life cannot exist without water. 70% of the human body comprises of water. Now, here's some facts on the micro end. We've dealt with the macro end. Now the micro end, if you take one little measuring spoon of water, about, say, 18 cubic centimetres, it has 6 by 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. That's 600,000 million molecules of water. Now, the best water of all, the most pristine water that flows off the mountain tops, is hexagonal water, which contains 6 molecules of water forming one hexagonal cluster with the formula H2O by 6. Now, that same measuring spoon of water will contain about 100,000 million clusters of hexagonal water. Now, the beauty about hexagonal water is that it will pass easily through the cell walls, bringing nutrients and oxygen into the cells, and pass out again, dragging all the toxins, impurities, and carbon dioxide, for that matter, out of the cells, so that we can live. Without that, we wouldn't live. When water is exposed to toxins, to all sorts of mess that we put in it today, these little hexagonal clusters of water molecules become huge, often containing thousands or even hundreds of thousands of molecules in a single cluster. Now, these large clusters are almost totally incapable of passing through cell walls. And a person can actually die of thirst drinking such polluted water.